Hey guys, this is another video of the stock market. I just want to show you guys this for confirmation that my account is real. My broker is TD Ameritrade, and I want to share real quick my transactions. You can see the transactions, the sell and the buy over here, the buy, and the sell and the sell. So this is just to confirm that this trade is legit. I made about $2,300 this morning with only $300, which is pretty good. You know, it's something that you always want to do from you want to use minimum risk for high potential. So I used $300 to make $2,400, something like that. And this is my verification of my transactions. And I want to see you guys. I want to share it with you guys what I did and what the things I saw that made me take this trade. First of all, I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, that everything that I do is for entertainment purposes only, and seek for an advisor. You know, I'm not an advisor. If you have any other questions, you can always contact me. I do have a YouTube channel. It's called From Broken Street to Wall Street. So it's a small account. I just started, so if you guys can support me, I'll appreciate it. So this is the move I saw yesterday. So prior to this move, big move over here that you see, that I saw that right here in earnings, it pushed up and it kind of consolidated for a long time. Well, it's not a long time, but like for 2 days, since Thursday, Friday. So it consolidated for 2-3 days, not really doing much. So usually that's a good thing, you know, because it's able to sustain whatever it's doing. But then the next day I saw this, boom, So I knew at this moment, I missed this big opportunity right here, but I knew that at this moment there's going to be another gap up, or I didn't know, but I assumed it was going to happen. Why? Because if you look closely, you can see the volume over here. See this small volume over here compared to this volume over here. Boom. And then look at the volume right over here. So by the end of the day yesterday, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go in and trade Tesla. I missed this whole move yesterday. But towards the end of the day, I got in right here in the last 15 minutes. And that's why I was showing you the confirmation of my transactions, because it tells you the time and everything. So if you want to just stop the video and see if it's really true, you can see the transaction that was made around this time. Now, in the after hours, it kind of dropped a little bit, you know, but overall, you can't trade in this gray area because it's restricted. It's closed. The market is closed, but still the stock keeps moving. So overnight, while I was asleep, the stock started moving, and that's what I was anticipating. So there was a dip right here, boom, and ricocheted to the top. Now, it looks like it didn't move much, but it actually did. There was a $100 move. If you can see right over here, it was trading maybe at 760, maybe $800. And it exploded to the top. Boom. Now it was over here at a high of 940. So my call was at 930. I was expecting basically expecting my contract set. If Tesla reaches to 930, you're gonna be in the money. So I sold my calls a little prior to 940, probably around 920, something around there, right around here. Why? Because you always want to sell into strength. And I sold right around here, guys. And that's how I made the $2,300. So with only $300. Now, right now, as you can see, it's a little overextended with a 200 moving average already. So it's probably gonna have a small pullback, but I already took my money out, so there was some money to be made here, and an explosion happened, and that's how we got in. I do expect Tesla to go to 1,000. It's trading at 900 right now, so I don't expect it to reach it this week, maybe next week, but not this week. So for sure, it was a good call in anticipation of this bigger move, and that's how we made the $2,300 with only $300. So it was a good trade, guys. You don't need a lot of money to make money, but you do need to know what you're doing in order to make money. This type of trades don't always happen. In matter of fact, they almost never happen, but you can still be consistently profitable. And the reason why I say is it doesn't always happen is because this was a trade and it was out of the money. And trades that are usually out of the money, they tend to decay on time, or the contract loses value. So that's why I decided to buy in the last 15 minutes. That way I know that overnight I'm expecting that explosion, and it did. Look, boom. So that was a good call. I'm expecting a pullback from Tesla. So it was a good trade, and well, I just want to share that with you guys, and hopefully, like I said, you guys support me, subscribe to my channel, and well, I hope you have a great day. Catch me in the next trade.